Adelaide dyan na sa oras na.
Number 23, intercepted by number 16. Foul. Number 23. Bye-bye 3C under penalty. Substitution ref.
Sab.
Banyares in, number 23 out.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 49 seconds to play.
First attempt. Pasok. Ariola. Number 16, Opaho North. Yes, 2 out of 2. Acosido dribbling the ball. Acosido, bye-bye 3C. Number 29, Olbe, foul.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 31 seconds and shot clock 14.
Acosido,
Shot clock 10.
pass to Galvez, blocked by number 10, number 16. Number 23, pass to number 3. Nice block by Banyares. Pass to Mangable. Mangable to Acosido. Acosido for 2. Wala. Nakuha ni Galvez. 2 points, Galvez. So, bye-bye.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 15 seconds to play. 20 shot clock.
Number 23, Opaho North, dribbling the ball.
13 shot clock.
To Vizcarte, foul. Committed by Banyares. Banyares, 4th personal foul. Warning.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 6 seconds to play.
Number 23, first attempt. Pasok. Again, 2 out of 2. So number 23 of Paho North. Moldes, dribbling the ball. Moldes. Intercepted by number 16. Nakuha ni Galvez. Wala. Number 10. Ariola, pass to number 23. Number 33. Vizcarte, pinasa ka number 8. Number 8, back number 23. Yes, 2 points, number 23. 53-66. 13 na lang ang labang ng bye-bye 13. Acosido, 2 points.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 25 seconds to play. 20 shot clock. 14 shot clock.
Dumiritso, wala. Rebound pa rin, wala. Galvez on the rebound. Pass to Mangable. Mangable to Moldes. Moldes, pass back to Mangable. Mangable to Moldes. 2 points, Mangable.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 3 seconds to play. Last 3 minutes.
Number 23.
14 shot clock.
3 points, wala. Nakuha ni Banyares. Banyares, dribbling the ball. Pass to Moldes. Wala. Nakuha ni number 16. Pass to number 23 of Proper
14 shot
North.
clock.
Blocked by Acosido. Pass to Mangable. Mangable na naman. 3 points. Mangable.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 20 seconds to play.
Dumiritso, wala. Nakuha ni Moldes. Moldes to Mangable. Mangable. Pastor Banyares. Banyares. Naghanap na
13
lalaki.
shot clock.
To
10
Mangable.
shot clock.
Mangable to Acosido. Acosido to Moldes. Pasok na pasok.
Last 2 minutes.
Score 53-74. Lamang pa rin ang bye-bye 13.
14 shot clock.
Number 29. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Bitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni Acosido. Acosido, dribbling the ball. 3 out of 1. Tumuldes. Wala. Nakuha ni Mangable Tumuldes. Moldes. Sinigurado na.
Remaining time, 125 seconds to play.
Foul. Happy foul. Mangable. Sub. Tito Sugar. Tatlo out.
Remaining time, 122 seconds to play.
Mangable. Third personal foul. Number 23, Opaho North, on the free throw line. Wala. Sa petition red.
Oh, wala pa to. Wala pa. Pupunta na eh. Hindi na. Masabay. Dead lang raw. Dead ball lang
Number
raw.
23, musika natin. Pasok. Sa red.
T-shirt.
May ilimin. Mangable out.
Remaining time, 115 seconds to play.
Intercepted by number 5, Opaho North. Pasa kay number 13. Number 13, Dumiscarte. Foul. Number
Remaining time,
23.
107 seconds to play.
Number 23 foul. Number 23, third personal foul. 13 on the free throw line. No good. Score 54-76 in favor of Baybay Trise. No good again. Rebound by Acosido. Pass to Galvez. Galvez dribbling the ball.
13 shot clock.
Tumera ng dos. Wala. Nakuha ni number 23. Number 23. Wala. Number 5. Pass to number 23 of Paho North.
50.
Nakuha ni number 5. Number 5. Back to number 23. Number 13 for 2. Wala. Nakuha number 29. Number 29 on the rebound.
Shot clock 10.
Intercepted by number 21. Pass to number 23. O bye-bye Trise. Nakuha na number 5. Pass to number 23. Tumera ng 3. Pasok.
3 points.
3 points. Number 23.
20.
Oh, intercepted. Nakuha. Balik sa bye-bye. Pinasa kay number 21.
Remaining time, 14 seconds to play.
Okay, baon nila. Isip tayo nga. Ano na. Time na. Oh, isip.
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time.